Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to turn a simple selfie into a professional headshot using Google AI Studio, all for free and without needing fancy photography gear. First, open your browser and go to aistudio.google.com. Sign in with your Google account, then click Image Tools or Create Image. Now upload your selfie. Try to pick one where your face is clear and well lit, even if the background isn't perfect. The AI will handle the rest. Once it's uploaded, use the Edit option. In the text box, type a prompt like, "Make this look like a professional corporate headshot with a clean background," or "Convert this selfie into a business-style profile photo with studio lighting." Click Generate, and the AI will instantly refine your selfie, adjusting lighting, cleaning up the background, and giving you a polished, professional look. If the first try isn't quite right, just tweak your prompt, for example. Add a light gray background, or make it a LinkedIn-style headshot. When you're happy with the result, tap Download to save your new headshot. And that's it. With Google AI Studio, you can turn any selfie into a professional-looking headshot in just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.